Many sheet metal workers want to learn putty-free repair, to learn a new skill, and earn more money. But at our age, with elderly parents and young children, and the pressure of life is in front of us, it's not realistic to study full-time for 1 or 2 months. It's really unrealistic. Stopping work means cutting off income and delay earning money. The cost of travel, a considerable burden. In fact, as long as you have a good machine and have sheet metal foundation, you can learn it by yourself. Before construction, use 80 grit sandpaper. Grind off the paint with sandpaper. Then evenly apply the indicator. Then use a template to polish the indicator. The concave and convex positions are immediately clear. Find all the concave points and directly pull the depression. During the pulling process, be sure to pay attention to prevent the sheet metal from stretching. Synchronize with the shrinking operation. Proceed gradually and gradually deepen the pulling. Repeat the operation repeatedly. When all the surface indicators disappear, it means that the surface has been trimmed and smooth. Then draw grids on the board surface. Use slide to find fujian. If there are any flaws, you can repair it. Remember to pull and stretch less than more. Once the sheet metal is overstretched, it will grow high points. It's hard to repair. Finally, you can only rely on putty to level it. It will lose the value of putty-free repair. Control the strength of the operation process and steady construction. With sheet metal foundation, find the right method of operation and continuous practical exercises. You can gradually master putty-free repair technology. You don't need to travel long distances to study without delaying daily work in the store. Earn money while learning by yourself. After learning, expand your store business. Retain customers who want to keep the original factory paint customers, and give yourself more income security. Now many people make repair as a magical technology. They deliberately create a threshold, making it seem very high-end. In fact, the basis of putty-free repair is based on traditional sheet metal. It's not a brand new technology. It is essentially a fine repair of sheet metal. The core focus is on enlargement. As long as the general shape is in place, the subsequent fine-tuning work will be much easier. Let's get started without further ado. Hard work always pays off. If you want to learn, who want to learn putty-free repair, we can study together and make progress together and create a better future together.